Buying a car in 2025 isn't just about the sticker price. Sure, you might think you're getting a great deal when you drive it off the lot. But what about the hidden costs that come later? We're talking about repairs, fuel, insurance, and resale value. Some cars will quietly drain your wallet faster than you realize, while others will keep running smoothly without burning a hole in your pocket. That's why today, we're breaking down 4 cars in 2025 that could leave you broke if you buy them. And on the flip side, 3 smart picks that will save you money in the long run. If you're planning to buy a car this year, this is the list you can't afford to miss. Number 4, Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe*. At first glance, the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4Z looks like the ultimate SUV blending rugged Jeep heritage with plug-in hybrid technology. But once you look past the glossy ads, it quickly becomes a money pit. The 4Z commands a steep price premium compared to the regular Grand Cherokee. Yet it doesn't deliver the fuel savings you'd expect. Real-world owners report that the plug-in hybrid system often fails to hit its promised efficiency, especially on longer trips where the small battery drains quickly. You're left hauling a heavy, complex system that doesn't actually save much gas. Maintenance is another killer. Plug-in hybrids are notoriously expensive when things go wrong. And with Jeep's less than stellar reliability track record, the chances of costly repairs are high. Add in rapid depreciation, since buyers on the used market are skeptical of aging plug-in hybrids, and the 4Z could drain thousands from your wallet within just a few years. Number 3, Ford Mustang Mach-E*. The Mach-E turned heads when it first launched, promising Tesla-like performance with Ford's muscle car heritage. But in 2025, it's shaping up to be one of the EVs you'll regret owning financially. First, depreciation is brutal. EVs across the board are dropping in value faster than traditional gas cars. But the Mach-E has been hit especially hard. Oversupply, high lease returns, and Tesla's aggressive price cuts have left Ford struggling to keep the Mach-E competitive. If you buy one new today, expect its value to plummet within the first 2 to 3 years. Then there's charging speed. Rivals like Hyundai's Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6 offer ultra-fast 800-volt charging systems. Meanwhile, the Mach-E lags behind, with slower charging times. This doesn't just make ownership less convenient. It also hurts resale appeal. Add in spotty reliability reports from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, particularly around electronics and build quality, and you've got a recipe for long-term expenses. Number 2, BMW X5 xDrive 45e*. BMW's plug-in hybrid X5 looks amazing on paper. Luxury, technology, performance, and eco-friendly credentials. But under the surface, it's one of the riskiest financial moves you could make in 2025. The initial price tag is sky high. And unlike a Tesla or Lexus hybrid, this BMW depreciates at a shocking rate. Luxury SUVs lose value quickly in general, but plug-in hybrids with complicated systems are among the worst hit. Once those generous lease incentives dry up, used car buyers don't want to touch them, leaving current owners holding the bag. Then there are maintenance costs. A BMW is already expensive to maintain. But when you combine a turbocharged engine, a hybrid system, and advanced electronics, you're looking at repair bills that can easily run into the thousands once the warranty expires. Factor in higher insurance premiums, and the reality that many of these SUVs will spend more time in the shop than expected, and the cost of ownership spirals out of control. Number 1, Maserati Greco*. The Maserati Greco is marketed as the stylish Italian alternative to the BMW X3 and Porsche Macan. But here's the problem. Maserati's resale values are some of the worst in the industry. Buy one new, and in just a few years, you'll see tens of thousands of dollars in value evaporate. Why? First, Maserati still struggles with reliability and quality control. Owners frequently report issues with electronics, transmissions, And interior fit and finish repair costs are eye-watering, since Maserati parts and labor are priced at exotic levels. Even though the Greco is supposed to be an entry-level luxury SUV, insurance is another hidden cost. Luxury badge plus Italian heritage equals high premiums. Even if the car itself isn't particularly exotic under the hood, add in expensive maintenance intervals and weak dealer networks in many areas, and the Greco becomes a financial black hole. This is the kind of SUV that looks stunning when you drive it off the lot, but 5 years later, you'll wish you never signed the paperwork. Let's move into the 3 cars in 2025 that will actually save you money. The ones that deliver reliability, efficiency, and resale value. Number 3, Toyota Corolla Hybrid *. If you want a car that stretches every dollar, the Corolla Hybrid is one of the smartest purchases in 2025. At first glance, it's just another compact sedan, but behind the wheel, it quietly works to save you money every single day. Its hybrid powertrain delivers over 50 miles per gallon, which means you'll be spending far less at the pump compared to traditional gas sedans or crossovers. Insurance rates are also lower thanks to Toyota's reputation for safety and affordability. And when it comes to maintenance, this car is nearly bulletproof. Toyota's hybrid systems have proven reliable over decades, often lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Then there's resale value. Unlike many hybrids or EVs that depreciate heavily, the Corolla Hybrid holds its value exceptionally well. Used buyers love Toyotas for their reliability, and demand for fuel-efficient cars is only going up. Simply put, you're buying into a vehicle that costs less to own, lasts longer, and pays you back when you eventually sell it. Number 2, Honda CR-V Hybrid *. The Honda CR-V Hybrid strikes the perfect balance between efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. While many SUVs are notorious for high running costs, the CR-V Hybrid manages to stay affordable without compromising practicality. Its hybrid system consistently delivers over 40 mpg, which is impressive for an SUV of its size. That means fewer trips to the gas station and lower annual fuel bills compared to non-hybrid crossovers. Honda has also built its reputation on longevity, and the CR-V is a prime example. With proper care, these vehicles can easily surpass 200,000 miles. While staying reliable, ownership costs stay low thanks to inexpensive parts, a vast service network, and lower than average insurance premiums. Resale value is another strong point. Demand for compact SUVs remains extremely high, and the CR-V's reliability gives it an edge over competitors like the Ford Escape or Nissan Rogue, which lose value much faster. Number 1, Toyota Prius *. For years, the Toyota Prius was the car everyone loved to make fun of. But in 2025, it has completely transformed into one of the smartest and sharpest looking cars you can buy. And most importantly, it's still the king of saving money. The Prius now delivers up to 57 miles per gallon, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars on sale. That alone means thousands saved over the years compared to gas-only vehicles. But fuel savings are just the beginning. The Prius has one of the strongest reliability records in the industry, with countless examples still on the road after a decade or more with minimal repairs. Depreciation is where it shines even more. Unlike many EVs and hybrids that fall in value quickly, the Prius holds its resale value thanks to long-term demand, proven durability, and a loyal customer base. Insurance costs are also lower than rivals, making it a triple win. You save at the pump, you save on repairs, and you save when it's time to sell. This is the kind of car that rewards you year after year. And it's a clear reminder that sometimes the smart choice is also the best choice. So, those were 4 cars in 2025 that could leave you broke, and 3 that will actually save you money. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these cars surprised you the most? Would you rather gamble on a flashy luxury SUV Or stick with a reliable money saver like the Prius? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more car breakdowns every week. And as always, thanks for watching.